I'm very happy today we are here at the School of Interior Designing and Fashion Designing of AAFT, which has done commendably well. Today we have just opened an exhibition of the interior designing where students have displayed interior designing in relation to 17 countries which are participating today. And I'm happy that every stall, if you look at that, I think they are worth taking to any international exhibition.
Today we are at Sector 5 branch of AAFT, and here the students of AAFT meets the students of a School of Interior Design have organized a beautiful exhibition of furniture and as well as fashion.
Yeah, today it was a great event. I saw variety of work, and I was very touched with the way how the student understood the different countries' culture. So this is a great opportunity for all the students to study the different culture.
Actually, upon the conclusion, I have only one phrase on my mind. बहुत बहुत सुंदर